Here are some toxins that could be found in your shampoo. These next 7 ingredients are something I really want you to be aware about and to look for on your shampoo and your conditioner labels. Okay, number 1 on the toxic list is something called sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. Now these sulfates can strip your hair of its natural moisture and in the process may actually irritate your sensitive scalp, especially if you're psoriasis prone or maybe you have dandruff or a dry, itchy, and inflamed scalp. This SLS could be very well a problem for you. Okay, number 2 on my list of toxic shampoo ingredients is urea. And it could have some other different names that you can see here: hydroxyethyl, diazolidinol, and imidazolidinol. I can't even pronounce them, but that is a good indicator when you can't pronounce something on a label, whether that's a food ingredient or a beauty product, that quite likely it's not so good for you. Now this urea is often used as a humectant and a moisturizer, often found in shampoos and conditioners as well. This is definitely a chemical that you want to avoid in your beauty products, so make sure you check your labels. Okay, number 3 on my list is fragrances. This could be perfumes as well. And any type of fragrance usually is synthetically made and can trigger sensitivities on your scalp. So this could be whether it's psoriasis on your scalp or just a dry, itchy, flaky, irritated scalp. These ingredients, and especially that fragrance, when it's synthetically derived, is a problem for you. Okay, number 4 on my list is polysorbates. Now these are used as emulsifiers and thickeners and can be found in a lot of products, especially hair conditioners, and they could either be oil-based or water-based ingredients. But as you know, those polysorbates, again, a toxic chemical. Okay, number 5 on my list in terms of toxic shampoo ingredients, these are used as preservatives, and this is sorbic acids or sorbates. So again, if you see this on your label, you definitely want to avoid them. Number 6 on my list is alcohols, and it could be labeled as either acetyl or sterile alcohols. These are very drying to the scalp and to your hair, so maybe, not the best thing in terms of the beauty of your hair and maintaining the moisture in your hair, but something that you definitely want to be looking for on your ingredient labels. And number 7 on my list of toxic shampoo ingredients is propylene glycol. Now, it's interesting, in 2018, propylene glycol was actually named Allergen of the Year. So a lot of people do have a sensitivity, whether you know to look for this in your beauty products or not. It's something that you definitely want to be aware about. And of course, always doing your best to avoid these toxic ingredients whenever you can, having a clean diet, clean beauty products as well, and doing your best to stay non-toxic is always the goal. Now, you may need to do some detoxification, and for this, I have another video with lots of tips on how to detox. Actually, 7 tips for detox. I'll see you there.